How's it going, everyone? I have an exciting ticker I want to talk about. It is a biotech and medical research company called IRWD Pharmaceuticals. Okay, it deals with the GI healthcare company, but the reason why I like this is definitely the chart. And you guys, if you see my video, you're probably like, yeah, I can see why you like it. But or my videos, if you guys are new to the channel, I love trading against the trend on certain conditions. I know that I can get really fast returns if I do this properly. So looking at this chart, there's no doubt that we hit this EMA 50 and we rejected. So we hit this. As you can see, we started to make a downtrend. The 50's at the top, 20's at the top, so every pump's going to get shorted for quite some time unless they come out with some amazing news and the EMA start to switch. The EMA 5 has, I've been watching this for a while. We had a pretty big down move here, 38% with this little gap here. So anytime we have a gap, remember it takes longer to touch this EMA 5. We haven't touched this EMA 5 since this candle here, and then all these are not touching. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 daily candles not touching the EMA 5. I looked at their news too. So they got a lot of price targets lowered to 7 from 12 from Wells Fargo. I mean, $7, I take that. Wells Fargo is a pretty good analyst, right? I like to see these kind of analysts coming in here. So they cut it to 7 from 12. We got a lot of other things that the Millrose is going to replace Ironwood in the S&P small cap 600. I believe that is on Monday. Yeah, February 10th. They're going to replace that. So we could get a little more down move. What I'm looking for is this lower band. I want to see, can we penetrate it? Can we get under it? Because we're having quite a bit of time distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days of time distance. We have big analysts on this thing. We have a K value of 4.7. You can see we kept going lower and lower, and this is why we don't trade the first candle down. The K value is too high. It was 27 here. Every time I see this, the first big pump down or big move down, it goes 38%. Every retail trader's in on it. And then they complain and be like, why is it going down and down and down? It's because you got to let the sellers die out. I always teach EMA 5 time distance. That's how you let the sellers die out. Look at this massive candle here. We have lots of volume here. The volume is increasing to the sell side. Look, boom, boom, and boom. We got massive sell volume, so we can expect now, it's a lot easier to start decreasing this. I want to start to see this decrease. So I'm looking to get in, this kind of sell volume. I mean, look at that. That's massive sell volume. We haven't had that in a very long time. We had 30 million volume, So what I'm looking to do is I want to give this probably till the end of Monday. Look to buy it. We have, like I said, we have 6 days of time distance. With this little gap, I can see it taking a little longer. I would expect 10 daily candles. We touch the EMA 5. From this to here, though, we're looking at a 20% move. So I want to accumulate this one. I'm looking at the end of the day. I always buy at the end of the day because when the sellers win, they win all throughout the day. You get these big bodies of candles. I'd much rather buy it at the end of the day than buying at the opening of the day or the mid of the day. So keep that in mind. That's how you trade against the trend. We are definitely trading against the trend. They're a little more riskier, so I will accumulate this. I have no problem because what I want to do is I want my average to be below this EMA 5. EMA 5 goes down every day. But I've been pretty good at predicting that, hey, when we get to this lower Keltner channel, we start to see a reverse to that EMA 5, I can make 10% in a single day, if not more. I mean, Wells Fargo saying this is at $7 maybe. That's a pretty good discount here, right? Look at the analysts. We have strong buys, and holds. We have lots of analysts on it. We go from $4 to $14. I love it. Right here, price target lower to 14 from JMP. Cuts the price target to 4, which is still pretty good, from the Leerink partners. Lots of analysts. So when you see all these analysts trying to fight out what's the price should be, I'm looking at my system saying, hey, I know exactly where I would like to buy. I'm giving it the time distance, wait it out, let all the beginner traders get in, let them just try to break even or lose money on it. I'm going to wait till, this falling knife stops. I see that we have, volume increasing, right? So I want to see what this next day does. Do I get some green volume? Do I get a little decrease in the sell volume? What's going to happen, right? I think this is very close. And then the thing that can really, time this really good is that K value. We're at a 4.7 down here. We're going down and down. I would love to see this at the 3 mark. All right, so IRWD, lots of analysts on it, lots of good stuff happening. I suspect something good here, guys. I want to see. It looks like their last earnings was 1107, so we should have that. It says February 13th. I wouldn't worry too much about that. I think that's actually good too for my system. Usually you get a pump up into earnings. So February 13th, that's on a Thursday. So I might look to buy this Monday or Tuesday, have a pump up into Thursday, or even hold till earnings, as I like this. This is looking pretty good. The weekly chart, we've been downtrending forever. We even seen on a weekly that we can get above this and uptrend for a bit. So yeah, so this is literally just find the bottom with this strategy, sell the pump, and get out, make a fast return. So this is one of my most favorite biotechs. I like it. I saw it, and I'm like, this is looking good, guys. This is looking good. Let's not miss out on this one. I'll post this in the Discord when I get in. If you guys want to join the Discord, this is the time to do it. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. And this whole month of February, you guys are getting a whole promotion, lifetime discount to access all my services. It's growing fast. I'm thinking about upping the price. But for you guys, $12 a month, you get access to everything. It will never go up. You're grandfathered in. A lot of services you're going to charge, look at $50 to $100 range, if not more. And you're not even going to get the education. I'm going to tell you guys why to take the trades with signals, because it's so pointless to literally just give signals and be like, I'm buying IRWD at 1.50, and everyone just goes in, buys it, and they're literally putting blindfolds on their face and just hoping the system works. If you have no idea why I'm taking this trade, and you have no idea, risk management or anything, you're going to fail in trading no matter what signal group you're in. I'd rather you guys know a strategy, why I take trades, and then implement it and be like confident. You're like, yes, I know the EMA5 is going to hit. No matter what stock it is, we make massive money because of having that confidence. We make massive money waiting for this lower band, waiting for low K value, waiting for time distance, and then we make these fast pumps. And then when everyone's excited and they get in when it starts pumping, we're getting out because we know the EMA5 is probably a rejection point. We see this time and time again. This is one of my strategies of how to trade against the trend. Wait till you watch my trading with the trend, my day trading strategy videos, all of it. All you have to do is click day trade alerts. If you want access, $12 a month. It will never go up. Promotional video for February. You guys are going to love it. I'll see what I do. I'm looking to increase the price. So get in now. I think you guys are going to love it. If you put a little bit of time and money into this, it's going to let me know that you're confident. It's going to let me know that you guys want to go in, just like going to the gym. You pay money, you're going to go to the gym all the time. And you're going to show up to this channel all the time if you pay a little bit of money, and it's not going to cost you a lot. I want you guys to dip your toes in the water, understand the strategy that works. I wish I had this back in the day. This strategy really does make a lot of money. All right, guys. If you guys want to subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee, and you get access to everything for just $12 a month. If you're from a different country, they might do a currency exchange. It might be a little more than $12, but it's going to be pretty worth it. All right. Day Trade Alerts gets access to everything. Read how to subscribe, but all you have to do is hit Day Trade Alerts. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is my video about IRWD. I like it. I don't know if I want to get in too early. I'm going to stick to my gut. I'll let you guys know when I get in the Discord. I'll let you guys know. You guys won't miss it when I get in. This reminds me a lot of like MRSN. This reminds me a lot of like MRSN. Lots of analysts, big move down, and then we start to see this massive freaking pump up here. 68% using this system. We went to the 5, to the 10, and then, oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, this is the same scenario, guys. We had lots of analysts on it. I think we get a big pump. Let's not miss out on this one, guys. I'll let you guys know when I get in. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. Share this video to friends. Get them in here. Let's make some money. It's very affordable, and I think one of these alerts will get you like a year's worth of membership. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.